channel is also there. So I think sometimes they also have some prerogative to meet the people for interaction. Even you can give us some guidance also, some advice also. Even I always trust the press people because you are from the grassroots level. And what you know the information, it is better than us. Sometimes I take information from the press media because they give the actual information and feedback. So I'm just meeting, can you say that this is a very informal meeting? Instead of saying that formal type of meeting, you can ask me small thing because I am not a big man. I am a very simple living man and I know very little bit about everything. So that you can ask me, or and also if you have any suggestion or anything, you can give it to me. As the Nadi Shakal, new dawn of Goa. Let the sun rise, let the sun shine, and let the people smile. Goa have everything with them. What not? Fishing, to tourism, to mines, to sea, to so many things. But the problem is now nobody takes care. It is neglected now. And neglected because nobody is there to take care for the people. Only the government and formation of the government stealing the MLAs, it cannot give you the result. In real politics, in our democratic setup, whatever is the assurance giving before the election, the manifesto, Goa, let Goa, run from Goa. Union of states we want to see, the strong union of states. We want to see the federal structure is strong. We want to see Goa is a potential state and people of Goa from unemployment to a young generation to women empowerment, fishing to tourism. And Goa, the sea is there, big sea. That is the beauty. It's an internationally famous field. Let us nurture that. Goa people should feel that they should pride, it is their pride. If you give your introduction, because I do not, then I can know the people.
Okay. My name is Kenzel. President of local organization. Could you tell us how is KMC looking as far as the upcoming assembly elections in Goa is concerned? Any number that KMC is looking that they can comfortably win?
We have to trust people. Trinamool Congress just started. Since Mr. Felidio and others, they joined with us. But within this short time, we discussed this matter so many times for so many elections. But no result finally came out. And that's why let us stand in our own way. And I cannot discuss everything into details in this meeting now. Because it depends on situation and everything. And local leaders, we have to discuss everything and then it's a collective decision. It is not an individual decision. So I cannot tell you right now with this. But if anyone is interested to work with us, we'll be happy.
Are you interested?
I want you to ask this question to him. He is a very efficient man. You can ask this question to him. His question you are putting up to my mouth.
But do you endorse Rafi? Do you endorse?
हमारा पता नहीं ऐसा उन्होंने कभी बोला